there are patients who have mucus, and this mucus gets on the vocal folds, and then they try to get it away. And there are people who don't have anything at all there. There's no mucus and stuff like it. It's just like a habit. They need to stop it, because in this moment we push the vocal folds together very irregular, so like that, and we should stop that, because it's no real phonation, and vocal folds do something that is not physiological, and you don't need that actually. If you have mucus, try to cough. I've learned a maneuver from someone called Jacob Lieberman. He's an osteopath, and he showed that we can actually do this once to cough out everything. And from my experience, this helped patients a lot more than doing or coughing like like that.